Hey, to perform the hard reset on your OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite 5G by using the recovery mode, first of all, you have to turn off your phone. So we can use, for example, the volume up button and the power button. And now when the screen is completely black and your smartphone turned off, you will have to use two buttons combination. You have to click and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. So let's do this. There we go. And when you feel vibration and got the OnePlus logo on the screen, release the power button and keep holding only the volume up button. It will take probably around 8 or 10 seconds of holding this volume down button, and we'll actually enter for the recovery mode. So just be patient and wait for it. Don't remove your finger. Now we can actually move it and then scroll with the volume down button to the English, select with the power button, then select format data with the power button. Now input this code right here, 6651 in my case, and then click on the format. Now you'll have to wait for the wiping data, click OK, and now your smartphone will be turned off without anything. Everything was actually removed from your phone, so you can perform the first setup. And that's all right now. Please subscribe.